Good morning. This is John Todd. I am wanting to talk about three costly mistakes every senior should avoid. I'm a long-term care slash Medicaid consultant. I worked in the Medicaid long-term care office for 5 years in the state of Idaho, and just wanted to give you a heads up on a few things here. The thought of paying $8,000 to $11,000 a month can be terrifying, especially if you have a loved one in the nursing home or needing other forms of elder care. And that is where the Medicaid program can help. Medicare does not cover most nursing home expenses, so Medicaid fills the void. In fact, very few families can afford to pay thousands a month for nursing home care. So Medicaid covers about half of the nursing home expenses in the country. However, Medicaid rules are a lot more complicated than the tax laws, and there are very few advisors who know the rules. When you calculated your income taxes, you probably hire someone who knows where to find the deductions. Have you ever had the IRS call you on the phone and say, "Hello, this is the IRS. I was looking over your tax returns and noted that you could have saved some money by taking this and this deduction"? Of course not. We know that the tax expert is the only one who can help you avoid tax potholes and help you find tax pots of gold. Well, similarly, my Medicaid consulting practice is focused on elder care Medicaid. We know the rules for keeping our clients from spending more money than necessary when applying for Medicaid elder care benefits. We help you avoid those potholes and find more pots of gold. So I want to talk about three big traps that cause money losses. I want you to avoid these traps that cause big money losses. So big money mistake number one, don't let the nursing home social worker or the State Medicaid Department complete your Medicaid application. Medicaid rules are more complicated than tax rules. People need a trained guide with experience in Medicaid to save money for families. When you don't know the rules, you spend most of your money on long-term care before you ever qualify for Medicaid. Now, let me just tell you a little secret. That is one of the main reasons I quit working in the Medicaid office, is as a worker, I was told you're not allowed to coach the customer on how to save money. And if they would ask certain questions, then we could answer the questions. But if they didn't know to ask the questions, we weren't supposed to volunteer the information. Don't make the mistake in letting the nursing home social worker or the State Medicaid Department complete your Medicaid application. You need an expert. The second thing I want to notice here is big money mistake number two. Don't believe it's too late to do anything just because there is what's called a 5-year look-back penalty period. Some people who know about this rule assume that there's nothing that you can do to help the family save money. Well-meaning lawyers, accountants, nursing home staff, and even the Medicaid workers themselves often give bad Medicaid advice. A good Medicaid consultant has learned the state and federal rules around Medicaid. In fact, every month people hire me to help them. We deal with the state so they don't have to. We show them sound solutions that help them protect more of their money. Don't get me wrong, we can't promise a rose garden, but we can show you how our services will save you money. And if not, we'll tell you that too. That's because our services are designed to save you money, not cost you. Now, let's come to big money mistake number three. Dealing with the state can be intimidating and confusing. Let a Medicaid qualified consultant take that worry away. It's important to let a Medicaid consultant take that worry away from you. Let us sit down with the Medicaid department so you don't have to. We know the rules and we know the right answers. We tell the truth and we never hide anything from the state. If we give you money-saving advice, we highlight our advice when we talk to the Medicaid caseworkers. So if you'd like more information, feel free to give me a call. We can be reached at 208-553-8634. Anyway, that's my summary of today. Three big costly mistakes every senior should avoid. And my name is John Todd. Talk to you soon. Thanks.